मुरगांव नगरपालिकेच्या कामगारांक पगार वाडोवन जाय. 10 तारखेमेरेन पगार वाडयलो ना जाल्यार धरणे धरपाची शिटकावणी कामगार युनियनान मुरगांव पालिकेक दिल्या. आतांच काम बंद दवरून धरणे धरपाचें थारायल्लें, पूण कामगार आयुक्ताच्या सांगणेचेर आयचें आंदोलन फाटीं घेतात. तशेंच पालिकेक कामगारांच्यो मागण्यो पुराय करपा खातीर 10 तारखेमेरेन वेळ दितात अशें कामगार नेतो केशव प्रभून सांगलें.
ऑन आवर डिमांड्स जे घाले ते आनी पेन्शनाचे जे पेन्शनां आसात तांकां अजून सॅलरी पडना आनी एरियर्सूय दिवना. आज 18 म्हयन्याले तांकां एरियर्स दिवना. सो आमी त्या खातीर लेबर कमिशनाक गेल्ले आनी स्ट्रायक नोटीस दिली. ऑन रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ लेबर कमिशनर आय हॅड डिफर्ड द स्ट्रायक नोटीस. आज तो सीओ आशिल्लो, सीओ मावलो आमी डिमांड पास, आमकां कांय खबर ना डिमांड खंय पास केल्या कितें केलें तें, की आमकां कांय नोटीस ना कांय ना. आतां कमिशनान ताका सांगला तुमच्या भितर तुमी 12 तारखेक मिटींग घ्या म्हणून. तो 12 तारखेक मिटींग दवरल्या सकाळी 11 ऑन डिमांड्स आनी अदर इश्यूज. पण हांवें ताका 10 जानेवारी पर्यंत टायम दिला. 10 जानेवारी पर्यंत जायना जाल्यार वील ऑन इंडेफिनीट स्ट्रायक. ते डिमांड सगळे मेडिकल आसा, गार्बेज आसा, सो मेनी डिमांड्स आसा. प्लस पेन्शनचे तांचे एरियर्स दिवपाचे आसा. गेल्या 18 म्हयने एरियर्स आसा आनी कितें खावप, पेन्शन ना, अजून पेन्शन सॅलरी दिवना. हे सगळे डिमांड तांचे युनिफॉर्म अलावन्स दिवना अजून परमनंटाचे. डेली वेजाचे अजून तांचे 500 रुपया पडना. जे तांकां सफाई कर्मचाऱ्याचो कमिशनर आयिल्ले, इज अ मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेटस, थंय सुद्दां ताणें डिमांड केली. ताणें सांगलें की 500 रुपया करा म्हणून, ते अजूनय करना. सो हे सगळे डिमांड्स आसा. तो फक्त एकूच उरला, पयशे ना पयशे ना जाल्यार लॉक करा.
कितलेशेच म्हयने जाले निवृत्त जाल्ल्या कामगारांक आजून पेन्शन मेळोंक ना. आमी आमचो संवसार चलोवचो कसो, असो प्रश्न निवृत्त कामगार दावडेन केला.
पळोवपाक गेले तर आमगेली पेन्शन आज 5 तारीख जाली, अजून बँकेत पावंक ना. आमी कितें खावपाचे हे तेंच्यांनी चिंतूचे कावन्सिलान. दुसरी गोष्ट एरियस आमगेले 7 पे कमिशन ऑलरेडी रेडी आसा. आमकां म्हणाले पयलीं चतुर्थीक दिता, गणेश चतुर्थी गेली, दिवाळी गेली, ह्या ताकात अजून ताकात आमकां तितली एरियस दिवंक ना. प्रत्येक रिटायर जाल्लो स्टाफ म्हाका फोन करता, अरे कितें जालें बा सुबग रे म्हणून. आमी वचून तांकां रिक्वेस्ट करता कावन्सिलाक, पण कावन्सील सांगता फंड ना म्युन्सिपाल्टी कडेन. तेन्ना आमी कितें करपाचें तें आमी चिंतिना. तेन्ना हांव कावन्सिलाक रिक्वेस्ट करता, सीओ आनी सीपी, की निदान आमकां रिटायर जाल्ल्या स्टाफाचें कितें आसा तें आमकां दिवचें म्हणून जाता इतले बेगीन, अशें आमी ताका रिक्वेस्ट करता.
कामगारांच्या आंदोलना विशीं मुरगांव पालिकेचो आयुक्त आग्नेल फेर्नांडीसाक विचारलें. तो म्हणटा कामगार विनाकारण आंदोलनां करतात, तांचो पगार वाडयला. तशेंच 7व्या आयोगा प्रमाण तांकां हेर भत्ते दिवपाक मेळनात. कामगारांनी आपलें काम करचें असो सल्लो आयुक्तान दिला.
See, first and foremost, I refute the allegations of the workers. They had every 3 years there is an agreement between the union and the council. So that agreement is already over, lapsed. So we are in the process of entering into a new agreement. Before that, they had given some demands to us, and I can say on record that all the demands are totally met. See, I will read it. We held a council meeting on 26th of November. And in the council meeting, this is CO is not the final authority. Whatever funds, financial aspects are there, I have to take a council decision, because council is the supreme body to decide this issue. So as per my part, I have referred this matter to the council, and council has taken a decision on 26th of November. So there was a demand of medical allowance of 9,000. Council has said at 6,500. Okay, there was garbage allowance demand of 2,000. Existing is 1,000, so we have made it 1,500, though their demand was of 2,000. So there was a flag hosting allowance was there. It was existing 1,500. We have announced this to. Their demand was of 2,500. We have announced it to another 500, 2,000 per month. Then uniform allowance was existing demand was 4,500. They had demanded 7,000. We have announced this to another 500. It is 5,000 per month now, per year uniform allowance. Then the washing allowance was there. Existing allowance was of 1,000. They had asked for a 2,000, total 100%. We have given them another 500, 50% increase. Rainwear allowance, it was a 2,000 per annum. They had demanded 3,000 per annum. We have announced it 2,500. Then Xerox allowance, it was 400. We have announced it to 500. So council has already taken a decision on 26th of November. I don't see any reason they can agitate. Every month we are paying them salary on time. It is not like other municipalities which are not paying them salary. And the salary, we have to create a salary of 1 crore 15 lakhs per annum per month. 1 crore 15 lakhs per month we have to create these funds. So we do not have any industries or anything which can bring us revenue every month. So as of now, as on today, we have given them all the salary till date. After taking the charge on 14th of October 2017, till date we have paid them salary at a specified date of before the end of first of every next succeeding month. That their demands were totally unjustified. Though this medical allowance is not permitted as per the 7th pay commission, and council has taken decision to pay them 7th pay commission on par with the government servant. But we are paying them 6,000 extra every month. The present all the municipal staff are paid 6,000 per month as a medical allowance. Though there is no any provision in the, I think they do not have any other work. They're going on strike. I think the staff should concentrate on the recovery. There are lots of recovery. They have to help this municipality to do the recovery. There are other works, so sweeping, cleaning, there are lots of works are there. They have to concentrate on their duty, what is given to them, instead of trying to agitate and come on the road for no reasons.
So pensioners and areas.
Yes, pensioners areas are already been calculated. So this will take little time because there is a paucity of funds. As and when the funds will be available, we will pay to them. That is my commitment.